In this video, we're going to dive deep into TradeZella, a trading journal that's all about helping you improve your trading performance. Whether you're trading stocks, crypto, forex, or options, TradeZella is designed to track, analyze, and optimize every move you make in the market. If you've ever wondered how top traders get better over time, a tool like TradeZella is often a big part of their strategy. And before we get into it, if you're already curious and want to try TradeZella, you can create an account using the link in the description. It's a great way to support the channel and take your trading game to the next level. All right, let's jump in. So, what exactly is TradeZella? At its core, it's an advanced trading journal, but it's so much more than just a place to log your trades. Think of it as your personal trading coach, one that's constantly analyzing your moves, showing you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and how to fix it. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, TradeZella provides the tools to grow. Let's start with the basics. When you first sign up for TradeZella, you'll connect it to your trading platform or broker. It supports many major brokers, and if your broker isn't listed, you can upload your trades manually using a CSV file. I know manual might sound annoying, but the process is super simple. Once your trades are uploaded, they're neatly organized into a clean, intuitive dashboard. And this dashboard is where the magic begins. One of the standout features of TradeZella is the way it breaks down your trades. You're not just seeing basic stats like profit and loss. You're getting a detailed view of your entry and exit points, position size, holding time, and even the context of the market at the time of your trade. It's like having a trading microscope. Every detail is laid out so you can analyze it. Let's talk about tags. Tags are one of TradeZella's best features, hands down. You can assign tags to your trades like following trend, risky setup, or news-driven. This might seem like a small thing, but it's insanely powerful when you want to analyze your performance. For example, let's say you tag some trades as overtrading. Later, you can filter out those trades and see exactly how much overtrading has cost you, or maybe how much it saved you. It's a real eye-opener. Another cool feature is emotion tracking. Now, I know this might sound a little out there, but stay with me. After every trade, you can log how you are feeling. Confident, nervous, impulsive, or whatever else comes to mind. Over time, this helps you identify patterns. Maybe you notice that you tend to make bad trades when you're feeling rushed, or you perform better when you're calm and collected. This feature adds a psychological layer to your trading, which is often just as important as the technical side. And then there's the trade playback tool. Think of this as a replay system for your trading. You can go back and watch your trades play out, just like reviewing game footage in sports. This is huge for identifying what you could have done differently. Maybe you exited a position too early, or you missed an opportunity to scale in. The playback tool lets you relive the trade and learn from it, which is something very few trading journals offer. Another thing I love is the profitability simulator. This tool is all about what-if scenarios. What if you'd used a different position size? What if you'd held the trade longer or exited earlier? The simulator shows you how small changes to your strategy could have impacted your results. It's like a sandbox for traders, letting you experiment with different approaches without risking any real money. For those of you who like to set goals, TradeZella has a built-in goal-setting feature. You can create specific objectives like achieving a certain win rate, improving your risk-reward ratio, or sticking to a particular trading setup. The software tracks your progress and gives you updates on whether you're on track. It's a great way to stay accountable and motivated. Now let's talk about the analytics dashboard. This is where TradeZella flexes its muscles. The software compiles all your trading data into charts, graphs, and reports that make it easy to spot trends and patterns. You can analyze your performance by time of day of the week, or even specific market conditions. For example, you might discover that you perform better in the mornings than in the afternoons, or that you're more profitable when trading specific instruments. These insights can help you fine-tune your strategy to focus on what works. All right, let's move on to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the user interface is incredibly clean and easy to navigate. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, you'll feel comfortable using it. The automation is another huge plus. The fact that it syncs directly with your broker saves you so much time, especially if you're trading frequently. and the insights you get are actually useful. This isn't one of those tools that just spits out generic data. You're getting actionable information that can genuinely improve your trading. The emotion tracking and playback features are also game changers. These are things you won't find in most other trading journals, and they add a whole new dimension to your analysis. Plus, the goal-setting feature helps keep you focused, which is especially important if you're prone to veering off track. But let's be real, no software is perfect, and TradeZella has a few downsides. First, the pricing might be a bit steep for some traders. There's no free plan, and the subscription starts at around $49 per month or $490 annually. That's not cheap, especially if you're a beginner or trading with a small account. That said, if you're serious about trading and you actually use the features, it can pay for itself pretty quickly. Another con is that the broker integrations aren't as extensive as they could be. Most major brokers are supported, but if you're using a more niche platform, you might have to rely on manual imports. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. And finally, there's a bit of a learning curve. TradeZella is packed with features, and while that's great, it can feel overwhelming at first. If you're new to trading journals, it might take some time to figure out how to use everything effectively. But honestly, that's true for any advanced software, and the payoff is worth it. So, who is TradeZella really for? If you're just dabbling in trading, or you only trade occasionally, this might not be the best fit for you. But if you're serious about trading, and you're looking for a way to improve, TradeZella is a game changer. It's perfect for day traders, swing traders, and even long-term investors who want to refine their strategies and get better over time. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to get the most out of TradeZella. First, be consistent. Don't just log a few trades and forget about it. The more data you have, the more useful the insights will be. Second, take the time to review your trades regularly. Use the playback and tagging features to really dig into what's working and what's not. And third, don't overlook the unemotional tracking. It might feel unnecessary at first, but understanding how your emotions impact your trades can be a total game changer. So, that's my take on TradeZella. If you're looking for a powerful trading journal that goes beyond the basics, this is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can create an account using the link in the description. It helps support the channel and gets you started with one of the best trading tools out there. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've tried TradeZella or if you're using another journal. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Catch you in the next video.